You can log in into the Emiratax account using your login credentials or using UAE Pass. If you do not have an Emiratax account, you can sign up for an account by clicking the Sign Up button. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password feature to reset your password. If you log in via your registered email and password, on successful login, the Emiratax online user dashboard will be displayed. If you had opted for two-factor authentication, you will be required to enter the OTP received in your registered email and mobile number to successfully log in. If you wish to log in via UAE Pass, you will be redirected to UAE Pass. On successful UAE Pass login, you will be redirected back to the Emiratax online user dashboard. Click here to select the user type. Select the taxable person tile. Click on Proceed to the taxable person. Click here to view the taxable person dashboard. Click here to access excise tax module. Click here to view the dashboard of non-registered businesses. This dashboard displays information related to your previous X311 non-registered business refund requests. You can add a new column to the table or filter the refund applications by its status. You can also search for an application by the refund application number. Click on New Refund Request to initiate a new refund request. These are the instructions and guidelines which detail key information such as required templates, supporting documentation, eligibility criteria, and the expected time to complete this refund request. Click on Back to go back to the previous page. Mark the checkbox to confirm that you have read and understood the instructions and guidelines. Click on Start to proceed to the refund request. The progress bar displays the number of steps required to complete the declaration. The step you are currently in is highlighted in blue. Once you progress to the next section successfully, the previous step will be highlighted in green. This section displays the basic details of the non-registered business based on the data in Business Details. Bank details are pre-populated from registration data. Please ensure that the bank details are correct prior to the submission of the refund request, as incorrect bank details may lead to payment failure. This section displays the relevant transaction types and the excess refundable amount. Click here to select the declaration for which you want to claim refund. Click here to enter the export details. You can add a new column to the table or filter the excise goods by its status. You can also search for excise goods by item or HS code. Click on the ellipsis to edit the item details. Enter the quantity of the excise goods that were exported. Click on Add button or drag and drop your files to upload supporting documents. On successful upload of document, the Add button will be highlighted in green. Click on Save. Click Save and Back to save the progress of the form and return to the previous section. This is the total refund amount requested by you. Click on Previous Step to go back to the previous section. Click on Save as Draft to save the refund request as a draft. Click on Next Step to proceed to the next section. This section displays your completed declaration and allows you to review it prior to submission. Click here to expand/collapse all steps at once. Click on the drop-down arrow to review the details in this step. The authorized signatory details are taken from the business details of the non-registered businesses currently held by the FTA. The declaration details are taken from the business details of the non-registered businesses currently held by the FTA. Mark the checkbox to confirm that information provided is true, accurate, and complete on this declaration screen. Click on Submit to submit the declaration. You have successfully submitted the refund request. Make a note of the application number for future reference. You can also access this refund request from the Excise 311 for non-registered business refunds tile within the Excise Tax module. Thank you.